You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Ciao from Florence, Italy, the cradle of the Renaissance. Join us as we journey through a city that has inspired artists, thinkers, and dreamers for centuries. As we begin our exploration, we're surrounded by the very streets that Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci once walked. Imagine the creative energy that pulsed through these piazzas during the 15th century, when Florence was a beacon of art, science, and innovation. Our path leads us to the majestic Duomo, with its iconic dome engineered by Brunelleschi, a feat of architectural genius that still impresses today. Nearby is the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with shops whose charming facade belies a century of history and commerce. From the masterpieces of the Uffizi gallery to the vibrant markets, Florence is a living museum, offering a sensory feast of art, history, and culinary delights. Join Explorer Vacations as we uncover the timeless beauty and profound legacy of this extraordinary Italian city. Thank you for watching Vacation Minute. Please visit our website, explorervacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.